Female tribute for the games, Lucy Gray Baird. You guys are gonna be mentors for the game.
What else does my mentor do than bring roses?
I do my best to take care of you. Wait! What can I do to help you win?
You can start thinking that I could actually win.
Of the game, Dean Asta Highbottom.
Do you hear that, boy? It's the sound of snow falling.
Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, the prequel to the Hunger Games. Get at your local library now.